What's going on, everyone? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom in Meridian, Mississippi, and today we're going to be viewing this 2021 Forest River Heritage Glen model 3560 QB. Q for four different slides, and B for bunk. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, 43-foot fifth wheel, sleeping room possibly for 10 individuals. And right now I've got all the slides closed in to show all my viewers what it looks like while going down the road. And while I've got them closed, some of my viewers also like to know, can you gain access to the refrigerator as well as the restroom without opening up all the slides if you're just stopping temporarily? Maybe just to grab some fuel on your truck. And on this model here, you definitely have room to get to the refrigerator as well as both of the bathrooms. I showed you in the beginning of the video as I was standing outside the main one. We're going to start on the outside of the coach, going to go over the different weights, the specs, and dimensions before heading inside. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get started. Coming out you 43 feet in length with 4 total slides is this 2021 Forest River Heritage Glen model 3560 QB. Q for 4, B for bunk, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, sleeping room possibly for 10. But here on the front of the unit, you're going to have a fully molded fiberglass front cap, and I hope you guys can see where the LED docking lights are going to be placed at, about 36 inches in length all the way up to the top there. Coach sits on a 96-inch wide construction, and here's a good shot of the kingpin on the front, so if you decide to change this, you'll have an idea what that's going to look like. 6-point fully automatic leveling system, a little bit of manual labor involved. You got to pull both of the plungers out on the front, let it down halfway, and then hit the automatic leveling button, which is located right over here. Fully automatic leveling system, simply pressing of a button, coach will in fact level itself. Water management area up here in the front also. Excuse me there. Everything nicely labeled, easy to read, and check out all the amount of pass-through storage you're going to get on this coach. Heated holding tanks, solar already installed, and that over there is going to be the built-in 1200 watt inverter for the electric refrigerator that's inside. 10-gallon gas or electric hot water heater. And let me show you guys this. Some of the quality that Heritage Glen's going to have. Fully vacuum bonded slides and sidewalls. Coming around to the main side of the coach, you're going to have a nice big 21-foot all-electric awning, white in color. And every awning on the market nowadays has some sort of LED lights. Here's a good shot of those under there. Outdoor speakers, TV connections on the outside, so you can have a full-on entertainment center set up underneath this huge awning. Steps are step above. These do flip up and in. They're going to have the nicer adjustable legs on the bottom down there just by simply pressing of a pin. Nicer big grab handle. Friction hinge entry door. I'm gonna have to worry about the wind blowing your wind around on high wind days. Nicer, big, thicker 2-inch baggage doors with the magnetic latches to hold everything up. Some models are downgrading those to a plastic clip this year. And here's another shot of that storage compartment. Heated and enclosed underbelly with the removable drop-in sheets. 4x8 sheets. If you've ever had to work on a camper before underneath it, you'll definitely appreciate these new sheets. It allows you to really get down there and just get to the problem instead of removing everything underneath it. Outdoor kitchen with a plumbed sink, hot and cold water, plastic material, little miniature fridge, outdoor camp griddle, bottle opener. That does hook to the propane, which is going to be located right underneath there. There's another shot of the rear electric leveling jacks. You got one here as well as one up there in the front one, making for 6 total jacks. Coming around to the back of the coach is where some of the entertainment is going to be. Check this out, pretty cool. All your guests are going to have their own entry door going right inside the model. Steps are going to fold up and underneath, and check out what they've done to the bumper. Still bumper, so it looks like some of the old school bumpers there. So you can still use this to store your sewer lines. Black tank flush is going to be found on the back of the coach, so that's a little bit different. Rear mounted ladder, and check out how they vaulted the ceilings. Really tall ceilings in this coach. Blind side camera prep, that's what that's going to be there. And you do have the friction hinge on the back of the model as well. Sewer connections on this coach, you can have 2 different ones. One's going to be back here in the back, so you're going to need 3 different lines to hook everything up in unison. Here's another shot of the rack and pinion slide. So rack and pinion slides on the back of the coach, and this one up here is going to be a lippert slide, all electric. And here's another shot of the second sewer connection right over here. Dry with this model sits of 11,986 pounds. Hitch weight 1,790 pounds, with a gross vehicle weight rating of 13,790. So definitely check the load and tow capacity of your truck before purchasing this model here. So here is model 3560, 4 total slides, 2 bedroom, 2 full bath, 2 different opposing slides in the bunkhouse area, opening up to 1 large bunkhouse area, and only 1 slide here in the kitchen / living area. 6'7" on the slide box with blackout shades all the way throughout, and they've even added the valance on both sides of the windows, preventing that sunlight from popping its way through. LED lighting all the way throughout the coach. That's just about standard on any model nowadays throughout today's industry. You are going to have a little bit of carpet inside of the model. All the slides is going to have carpet in it, as well as the master bedroom. You're going to have carpet all the way throughout that area as well. Sleeper sofa, and I'm going to pull that out closer towards the end and lay the sleeper booth down, showing you how much sleeping room / walk around room you're going to have in this coach when it's laid out in its full sleeping arrangement. Additional storage underneath both of the sleeper booths there, plus also in the back, and I'll give you guys a good shot of that as well. 2 air conditioning units with both of the thermostats located down here in this coach. And yes, right now the temperature inside of here is 92 and 93 degrees. It's a hot day here in Mississippi. I tell you, it don't look like it in some of these videos, but I'm sweating, I tell you. Cabinetry all the way on the top. Solar power already equipped. So you could have a 190 watt solar panel on the roof with a built-in 50 amp charger, sending over a trickle charge to power this nice big Furrion all electric refrigerator. Built-in 1200 watt inverter. This is the French style, more of a, some customers say that's more mainly for wine bottles. I'm not quite sure. I don't drink wine. You guys tell me down below, what is that for? Also this here, this is gonna be the freezer on the bottom. I just plugged it in and it's already starting to get cold. Standard size Furrion oven, 3-eye burner on the top, and you have additional counter space if you choose to lay that flat to extend what little bit of prepping space you've got. Stainless steel drop-in sink with the residential style high-rise faucet there. 3 different pull-out drawers, and here's a shot underneath the sink. Your pantry located over here before heading into the bunkhouse area, almost from floor to ceiling, and you do have slam latches on the cabinet doors, not on the pull-out drawers though. Coming around to the entertainment slide area, nice big 30-inch electric fireplace, and I call that a shoe garage. Nice place just to toss all of your shoes when coming back from a long day on the beach. Jensen soundbar with AM/FM radio, CD player, flat screen TV with additional cabinetry up there. And check out the accent lights on over all the cabinets and the slides. Ceiling fan, just all that, you know, the different trim up there, setting all the core parts. Before heading into the bedroom area, I feel like I need to point out this really cool little bench seat that Forest River has added. Maybe just come in, sit down, kick your shoes off, and toss them underneath these floating steps. They've really done everything they possibly can to maximize the amount of storage space they're going to have in this coach. All the controls right here inside as soon as you open the door. Awning operations, slide out operations, even those tank heaters, so you don't have to worry about this thing freezing in the wintertime on you. Light switches, even the tank monitoring station. You're also going to have your own second set of controls to control that 6-point fully automatic leveling system. Coming up into the main bedroom area, you're going to have a little bit of carpet throughout the bedroom area with a queen size 60 by 80 bedroom slide. Breeze window on both sides of the bed, and you have that valance added. LED reading lights up at the top. And if you have a CPAP, one downside to this model is you're not going to have additional shelving. I kind of wish they would have maybe come back with a floating shelf right there just for that purpose. 110 outlet and 12-volt charger down there. That's what that black dot's going to be. Closet up in the front gooseneck area with washer and dryer connections. You're even gonna have a full-length mirror built into that sliding door there as well. And while we're here, let me go ahead and point out the 2 Coleman Mach air conditioner sound quality test for you. I know GoPro does not provide the best of sound quality, but I hope it gives you guys a general understanding of what it sounds like. It's not too bad. Heading inside the first bathroom area, located in the gooseneck next to the main bedroom, 2-piece plastic shower with more of a glass type sliding door to close that shower off nicely. Pressed membrane countertops on the bathroom with a stainless steel bowl sink. And here's a good shot of that additional storage space for that medicine cabinet provided. Porcelain foot flush toilet with a decent amount of leg room to move about. Ceiling height in the bathroom, but notice the vaulted ceiling. Dead center, you're going to have a ceiling height of around 7'2", but I'm 6'2", and I'd like to show you guys what it's going to look like inside the shower with that vaulted ceiling. And as you can tell, there's still plenty of room to move about and do whatever it is you have to do inside the shower area. And there's a good shot of how much leg room you're going to have, and another view of your medicine cabinet. Heading back to the back of the coach where your second bedroom / second bathroom is going to be at. 2 opposing slides opening up this area nicely, and just check out those vaulted ceilings in here, making everything just open up really nice and big. And one really cool thing about this arrangement is maybe you can utilize this area here for your main living area, with that being a sleeper sofa / entertainment couch / maybe just one huge playpen when you open this thing up. And I'll show you what that's going to look like, but this is just one huge mattress. But right now, I've got it set up in the entertainment arrangement. You can possibly install about a 42-inch TV here in this cubby, or just utilize the cubbies for all the additional storage. Nice big teddy bear mattress on the top with blackout shades. And here's a grab handle. So as the factory stating that you could utilize this for a ladder with the grab handle to get up on the top. My kids are more than likely going to be doing just that, and I'm curious to know how long will that possibly hold up before starting to show signs of wear. Closet space for all of your guests with additional shelving. That's a little high, so you maybe are going to need a stepping stool to reach up there on the top. Second air conditioner mounted up here on the top, but those are racetracked all the way throughout the unit. This is going to open up to about a queen size bed, and I'm going to show you what that's going to look like with all this laid out in the sleeping arrangement closer towards the end of the video. Here on the back of the model, you're going to have your second full bath, and this is going to be a tub. Stepping up almost about 18 inches to get inside the tub. 2-piece plastic shower, and headroom is definitely not going to be an issue. I'm 6'2", and I can go ahead and let you guys know ceiling height in here probably around 7 foot, maybe 7'6", 7'7". Plenty of headroom in there, definitely. Additional storage with this stainless steel bowl sink and another medicine cabinet with those slam latches. And your guests are going to have their own entry door right from the back. Porcelain foot flush toilet with additional storage space there for you. And check out all the amount of room you're going to have. And again, for all of my viewers who are taller, my hand's fully extended. Just check out the amount of ceiling height you're going to have in this coach here. So now I've got it laid out in its full sleeping arrangement to show you how much walk-around space you're going to have. And in relation to size, you're going to be looking at maybe a full-size mattress, you know, in general idea, just to show you how big it is. Definitely room for maybe 1 full-size adult, maybe 2. And also with the booth laid flat, maybe sleeping room for 2. About the same size, but I think this may be just a little bit bigger. Coming back into the second bedroom, no change to this slide here. However, the sleeper sofa laid out about the size of a queen size bed, does lay flat on the floor, but you also have that flip down bunk on the top for additional sleeping there. If you like what you see, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Check the description down below for all additional photos and a pricing and availability of this model here. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Come see us.